Good afternoon everyone. Now I am going to teach you how is booking ticket with a VRS client. Here you can do reservation and ticketing. Now I'm going to open the software. You are already open. Now you have to go sign in. You have to give a password. Now you have to take segment, like I'm going to Dhaka to Kuala Lumpur, then January Dhaka to here have seat, available seat. I just take one seat and then I will back on 15 January Kuala Lumpur to Dhaka and take another seat. Now finally I take two segments. Here is RX Airlines code 0782 flight number and take Peter class. Its date will be Thursday 10 January 19 Dhaka to Kuala Lumpur. Departure time is 11:20 and arrival time is 5:20. Another one segment is here is 15 January Kuala Lumpur Dhaka. Departure time is 6:20, arrival time is 8:20. If the time is ready, then you have to check fare. Check fare code is FG. The total price will be 31,008 BDT Taka. If you are agree 31,008 BDT Taka, this is a gross fare, like published fare. Here have tax. Here is 2 tax, 1, 2 tax and 2 is base fare. So after this, if the passenger is agree 31,008 BDT Taka, then you have to process. First you have to give name, yes, John slash the surname is John, last name is Ahmed, and then Mr. Name stored. After this you have to give phone number 9M like display 0080832739501, right? Contact OK. Now after this you have to give passport number 4-1FD OCS /P /BGD passport number BA01046755 /BGD date of birth is 10 January 90 male or female. This is male / if male you have to give male, if female you have to give female / passport expire 20 / surname is John, like last name John / first name Khan Anas Ahmed Mr. The FX passport details is okay. Then if everything okay, Then you have to go display in star R. Its name is John. The flight date is complete. Now phone number is okay. Now passport docs is okay. Now you have to give another one email number 9E display 9E display like uh, I also email is okay contact. Now you have to display result details is done. Now you have to go FG like after this check the fare again and FS1 fare code. Here is text all text and then also ticket validity is 180 days like 6 months. Here is USD and BDT currency. $1 equal to 83.2 and here is all text. So FS1 is complete. Then you have to E star R. That means already come a PNR. This is a PNR. This is a PNR. The booking is complete. Now you already know how is a booking make a PNR with VRS client. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. I will come next day with ticketing. After reservation, how is ticketing with VRS client?